Hey man, I cashed out on the car. Y'all say, ho, not yet. You gotta come to the front, bro. You gotta come to the front. Yes, sir. Oh, snickerdoodles.
Losing their faith, cause you see your whipping dealership plate. Now I can fuck with the great. 5 meals, I still say my grace. Little bit of boy disgrace. I thought I told you that. Stuff 100 racks in the bag. Gucci prints on the floor, man. Which one of Rolls Royce or the Maybach?
Yes, sir. Guys, boy, WhiteboiiKris, man. Back at it again with another video. It's been a minute. Worth waiting, you feel me? Been a long grind, long hustle, but I'm back on my YouTube for a minute, bringing something new. Cars, this, whoop-de-whoop, pranks, vlogs. We get to it. Summer coming, so y'all know it's about to be lit. But hey, man, I cashed out on the car. It's been a minute. I was driving car with my father. We was in the car, whoop-de-whoop, that, this, that, whoop-whoop, bada bang, bada boom, you feel me? But nah, it's enough talking, man. I'm gonna show y'all some clips of how it was and how it is now. You smell me? So you can see, like, it wasn't always like this. But that's enough talking, man. I got a little, you know what I'm saying? Y'all say, ho, not yet. You gotta come to the front, bro. You gotta come to the front. You smell me, man. Got the C5 1997 Corvette, so this right here older than most of y'all. You know what I'm saying? Got the target top off. You smell me? Y'all see how it is down. Just give it some time. You smell me? I did the carpet myself. You see? I need y'all. You know what I'm saying? You see the lines? You see it? You see the lines?
Oh my God!
Yeah, professional. You see it. The tents messed up though. I gotta get new tents. All in the inside. I ain't really tripping about nothing in here for real. Besides for this, I'm gonna fix that, bro. It's just like it's not in the clip. The TV too big. You know what I'm saying? But that's nothing. But if y'all look at the interior, come on, bro. Show the interior, bro. Y'all see the interior, the leather looking all luscious and all that, this and that. It wasn't like that before. Like, I'm telling y'all, if I'm about to show y'all, put a clip right here. And that's how this don't look before I did the little jazz. I jazzed it up for sure. But I was going to get a different old school. A man in the, Corvettes, man. I'm telling y'all. People with Corvettes show people with Corvettes respect. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I'm about to clean up the headlights. Y'all see, he had like a smoky jump. I don't really like how it's looking right now. I'm gonna probably sand it down. Headlights looking sweet. The whole outside, like all this, it was just like build up of like dirt and grime. It's little chips and everything. Y'all see the rims. Don't clown me too much on them. If y'all want these, man, let me know something. They for sale, because I got some new ones coming real soon. Y'all gonna see a video on that. But hey, y'all want to see more of my new car, make sure y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, share, get dig, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snap, subscribe, and go ahead and mess my man Peso. You know what I'm saying? Got the clothing, family house, DG behind the camera. Shout out, man. Yeah. You bro, you blowing me, bro. I ain't like somebody else.
Go ahead, bro. Go ahead.
You go?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Oh, snickerdoodles.
Alright, go.
Not about losing their faith, cause you see your whipping dealership plate. Now I can fuck with the great. 5 meals, I still say my grace. Little bit of boy disgrace. I thought I told you that. 500 racks in the bag. Gucci prints on the floor, man. Which one, the Rolls Royce or the Maybach?